Use a gentle water-based approach targeted to the fabric code and residue type to remove body oils from armrests and headrests safely. Start by identifying the fabric cleaning code on the furniture tag or by testing an inconspicuous spot with diluted dish soap and water to confirm colorfastness. For fabrics marked W or W/S, use a DIY water-based cleaner made from 2 parts warm water and 1 part mild liquid dish soap or a few drops of clear Castile soap. Mix in a spray bottle and shake gently. Lightly mist the stained area rather than soaking it so the padding underneath does not become waterlogged. Agitate with a soft nylon brush or a microfiber towel, using circular motions to lift oils into the cleaning solution without abrading fibers. Remove loosened soil by blotting with a clean, absorbent towel, and if possible follow with a wet vacuum extraction or repeated blotting until no more transfer appears. Allow the item to dry upright in air with good circulation and avoid heat, which can set oils. Repeat the process until the fabric looks and smells clean. Common mistakes include overwetting the padding, which leads to musty odors and loss of shape. Fix this by using minimal fluid, blotting immediately, and allowing full air drying with the cushions propped to expose airflow. Another frequent issue is using solvent cleaners on water-safe fabrics, which causes shrinkage or color bleed. Always check the tag and perform a spot test first, and use water-based solutions for W and W/S codes. A third problem is scrubbing too hard, which frays fibers and leaves a worn patch. Instead, use gentle circular motion and switch to a softer tool if resistance is felt. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project pages to help you compare approaches for fabric maintenance. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and find work together.